Blessings, friends. It's Allie McPhee, women's health educator and hormone balancing chef at Modern Goddess Lifestyle. I'm in my kitchen today to bring recipes and rituals for you to live a modern goddess lifestyle. And today I'm going to be sharing with you how to make my herbed chive and sage biscuits. These are completely gluten-free. They have a few really interesting special ingredients. One of them is avocado, which is going to make it super creamy and taste really moist, as well as I'm using one of my favorite ghee brands. This is called Goddess Ghee. They are based out of Asheville, North Carolina. And for those of you that have sensitive digestive systems and you can't do dairy, ghee might actually be okay for your system because in the clarified butter process, they take out a lot of the casein as well as lactose is eliminated. So this may be better for your system than regular butter. And this makes it taste super flavorful. And lastly, butter and avocado, any of these healthy fats are really important for hormone balance as well as healthy brain function. Most hormones, actually all hormones, are made from cholesterol originally, and we want to have the good kind of fats in our diet. So we're talking ghee, coconut oil, avocado, nuts and seeds, things like that. So let's get started. If you want more recipes and rituals like this, please like and subscribe to Modern Goddess Lifestyle.